Hey guys, welcome back and a happy new year. Welcome if you guys are new. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos twice a week related to all things lifestyle and self-care. Let's jump into this.
The goal is to declutter and reorganize this chaos. This is stuff I have to put away. All of this I have to put away. And I bought some hangers from, I got these from Target, so it was a set of 50 hangers. So the deal is, I want to replace these hangers, and I want to just have the black ones, like the black velvety ones. But this is my closet. My purses need to be organized a lot more because it's not, it's a mess. Like, I can't believe I'm showing y'all inside my closet. Alright, so we're making progress. The box empty. So everything that was in the boxes and the bags, they're on the bed with hangers. These are stuff that I bought that for whatever reason I didn't wear or I didn't keep. I should do like a giveaway one of these days, I will, but these all have tags on them and I'm just gonna donate these. So I'm gonna put these in the box. I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna do it, I don't wanna do it, I don't wanna do it. I'm just gonna take everything out and then start over because clearly progress has been made. I was able to tuck that in a corner. Was the pillow just blocking it? I knew I had space. I knew I had space because look at this. I knew I had space. So, oh Lord, that's done. These shoes are from Fashion Nova. Never been worn. And they're so cute. They just don't fit me. I think either they don't fit me or they were hard to walk in or uncomfortable, and I don't do the uncomfortable shoes. I am 35 years old. I am not trying to struggle when I'm out, so we get rid of them. Alright, so this is what I have so far, and then I'm gonna put y'all up and I'll come back. Those shirts in the back, these were my grandfather. He passed like probably 5 years ago, and I just kept some of his stuff. I know I should probably get rid of it, but it's sentimental to me. But these are what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. These are all my jeans, my cardigan sweater, and then these, I know I didn't change the hangers on these, but these are stuff that I'm contemplating if I want to keep or not. That's why they're back here. It's done. I need more hangers. This side needs to be done. So if y'all hear me say, I need to buy new clothes, remind me, say, Vanessa, your ass got clothes at home. You hear me? You have clothes at home. You remember back in the days, our moms used to be like, we got food at home? I got clothes at home. Stacks of clothes that I haven't worn. So these need to be put on new hangers. But I ran out of hangers, but I like how it's looking so far. I realized I got two different hangers. So I got this one and then this. I like this better, but she's coming along. We'll save up top for another day. Some more hangers from Ross. So this is a set of 25, a set of 12, and 12. I just need something to organize my purses. And the crazy thing is, this is not even all of them. This is not even, I know there's some freaking hidden back here. Like, there's more. I just be using the big bags to hide the mess and to hide the chaos. Like, I'm sure there's, see? Like, I've literally just been hiding the mess. I feel bad for throwing out my God is Dope shirt. I feel so bad for throwing it out because God is dope. He is. He is very dope. This. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Still haven't worn it. Still haven't worn it, but ugh. For you or a loved one in debt to Fashion Nova over ripped jeans. attack. Why the hell did I spend so much money on all these ripped jeans? When Fashion Nova first came out, not even when they first came out, but because of my shape, I wasn't able to find thick jeans. Like, I wasn't able to find good jeans until Fashion Nova. And I promise you, I got every single one of their stretchy jeans because they fit my hips, thighs, butt, and they were small enough for my waist, because that's where the problem is. Like, it goes over your hips and everything else, but then it gets to the waist and it's baggy. So finding jeans that fit everything, I literally got them in every color, every style. And now that I'm going through my closet, I'm like, how many ripped jeans do I have? And do I have normal pair of jeans? And do I have this jeans already? Because I feel like I do. I feel like I do. I used up the first 2 packs of hangers, so now I'm on the big 25 pack. And I hope this is enough. I hope this is enough. I was really in an oversized t-shirt era. Like, I have ridiculously amount of oversized t-shirts. Ridiculous. I gotta let it go. So stuff like that I need to do, instead of holding on to stuff that I don't need. Like, I need to get into the mentality of declutter. Literally just getting rid of stuff, because I don't need half these clothes. But I still keep wearing the same clothes over again. So my whole thing for the new year, I am decluttering. I'm clearing out everything. If I haven't worn it in like the year, I'm getting rid of it. Well, maybe in 2 years, because, you know. So if I haven't worn it in like 2 years, I'm getting rid of it. Now I gotta organize them, and then we'll worry about the shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done. We are done. Why do we keep boxes? Why do I need these? I don't. So this is giveaway pile, my pants, hangers, mess. Why do I have these boxes? Anywho, this is the pile I'm giving away, but this is the closet. She's all organized. And I did the shoes. I did the shoes. And then I did the bags. So I stuffed my old bags in the big bags, because they were mashing up. They were too mashy. They were just, I didn't like how they fit. So my old purses that I'm going to eventually throw away, I stuffed them in the big one, put my little minis up front. I freaking love this. This is from Amazon. Yeah. And then look at it. Oh, and I still have more purses right here. So I just put like my clutch and like my hanging wallets back here, and my belts on a hanger. But this is it. This is my never worn, need to be worn. You tripping, don't buy nothing else because you got clothes at home. Keep your money in your pocket side. Over here I have my jackets and cardigans, but I'm in Florida, it really don't get too cold, but when it do, I got the cardigans ready. And then this is my jeans. Listen, I had to go through and take out some of the jeans because I literally had duplicates, and I tried on most of them. I'm like, you know what, let me do the fit test. If I gotta fight to get in them, I'm throwing them away. So I threw them away. I ran out of hangers again, so I kept these 4 white ones, and these are the shirts. So these are like my going out dress up shirt, and this is just leisurely wear, like stuff to wear out. Like these my Savage Fenty and my Yeti. I ain't wearing these to the gym. No. Y'all see what I be doing in the gym? I be putting in work. These gonna get dirty and ugly, and no. I spend too much money on them. I'm wearing them to somebody's grocery store. You gonna see me at the gas station. You gonna see me in them. And when they get old and dingy, then I'll wear them. Then I will wear them to the gym. But yeah, this is pretty much my outside wear. Let me go pick up my kid. Let me go to the mall. Let me not try to get all cute and dressy. And I literally tied the dress, not tied, but I tucked my dresses in because I wanted space on the floor. So the dresses are thrown over the top of the hangers. That gave me all this room. And I threw out shoes. I kept all the shoes that I'm able to walk in. Now this, I know she needs to go. I know she needs to go. Now just hear me out. Right now, this is the only shoes that I could wear for a good 8 hours without no problem, feet hurting, nothing. This, I was contemplating throwing them away because I do have the new ones, but they still sexy as hell. And when I want to get a little spicy and juicy for hubby, I could throw them on. She's done. She's done. I would like to thank myself and myself only. I did that. That is it, my guys. That is it. It is after 11. We started at around 8. No, we started from last night. But I'm happy, you know, I got it to where it's looking decent, to where I can find stuff without like, what am I wearing? What am I wearing? I have everything organized. And some of the dresses, honestly, I have about 4 or 5 dresses over here that needs to go. But I'm just not ready to get rid of them. Like, I'm not ready to get rid of them, because if you have kids and you know you got to pick up from daycare, it's the easiest thing to just throw on and go. Like, I don't know, I think they probably tired of seeing me in this. Y'all probably tired of seeing me in this because I'm always in this. That is my go-to. There's one little rinky-dink dress in here. I'm so embarrassed to show y'all, but like this, look how dingy it look. Look at it. It's dingy. But it's my throw on. This one too. Ugh. But they are my throw on. They are my quick go to. I'm running late. Let me just throw a dress on. Go. I'm not trying to be cute. But that is it, guys. Thank you for watching my declutter, closet organization, whatever the hell I'm gonna call this video. Why y'all ain't tell me that my damn buttons was open? Hope y'all ain't see nothing. Alright, but that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Vanessa. I put out videos every week. We're working on twice a week. And I think I've been doing pretty good. By the time this video goes up, I should be doing twice a week. So let's do it again. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos 2 times a week related to all things lifestyle and self-care. See you guys next time. Bye. Happy New Year. But ask me if I want to. Ask me if I want to do this. I've been pushing this off for so long, but I'm not going to bring all this clutter into the new year. So I don't want to.